One of the first things we did when we brought essential oils into our home is start to make over all of the home cleaning supplies that we used on a daily basis. I'm well aware of all of the toxic chemicals that come into our homes when we're utilizing conventional cleaning supplies. Essential oils are super easy to use, and making your own home cleaning supplies is simple, takes less than 3 ingredients, and honestly takes less than 45 seconds. All you need to do is get a glass container, fill it with water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then add in a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil. I love tea tree because it's got great cleansing properties and antibacterial properties. What's great about this is that as I use it on my countertops, I don't have to worry about the transmission of chemicals onto the fruits and vegetables that might be lying around. 2 to 3 drops of tea tree, and a couple of drops of lemon, which is one of my favorite essential oils to freshen up a cleaning supply. Whoops, attach the spray container, and that's how easy it can be. You're ready to go in less than 45 seconds.